Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today this is a geometrical problem in which we are having rectangle. The side BC is equal to 8 centimeter and this arm is equal to this portion. This is supposing this point is E, suppose. Don't go on figure. It is handmade figure so that it may be looking wrong even though it is mathematically perfect. This point is E. Okay. This it means AE is equal to EB is given to us. This midpoint is joined by D and this is a diagonal AC. This line DE is an AC diagonal intersecting to each other on the point F. The length of FC is given to us 12 and BC, the one side of the rectangle, is given to us 8 cm. We have to find the value of X. X is equal to what? This is the problem. Now, as we know the rule that two lines when intersect each other, then opposite angles are always equal. Okay. These are the two lines which are intersecting to each other, AC and EF at point A. So that this is the same form, this angle will be equal to this angle. Correct? Except this, because AB, when two parallel lines are crossed by a line, then this angle are always this angle will be equal to this angle. This is also the theory. In this figure we can say that AB is this line and DC is another side of the rectangle, and this is ED, this is actually crossing both the parallel line AB and DE, so that this angle will be equal to this angle as per Z rule. This angle will be equal to this angle. Z rule says that when two parallel lines cross by a single line, then Z angle made at the Z corner. This is Z. This is Z. It means this angle will be equal to this. Same is over here. This is Z. AEDC is Z. So that this angle will be equal to this angle, and hence same is the condition with this angle will be equal to this angle. It means if it is alpha, then it will be alpha. If it is beta, then this will be beta. And if it is gamma, then this will be gamma. It means two triangles we are having, AEF, one triangle. This is just similar to in angle similarities they are having the angle similarity property is just identical to the triangle DFC. Okay, this is very much clear. If such type of the triangle if we are having, then in that case their corresponding ratio of their corresponding arms will be same. If two angles having the angle symmetry quality, then their corresponding ratio of their corresponding arms will be always constant. This is the theory. So that in that case we can say that this is 12 known to us, AF is not known to us, and X is known to us, 2F. Because this AE is equal to FB, it means this will be X and this will be X. Okay, so that we can find in triangle AEF and DEF AF. How? That AF upon, because they are having the angle similarity quality. So in this AEF, AF suppose equal to AF upon this will be equal to, wait a minute, I'm going to rub it up. No. In AEF, AF, the side is AF. AF. Side is AF. Corresponding to this, another side of the another triangle DFC is equal to FC. AF upon FC. AF upon FC. AF upon FC will be equal to this AE upon DC is equal to AE upon DC. AE is equal to X because this is the middle point. We are given AE is equal to EV, and naturally because it is rectangle, so the DC will be equal to AB. It means the total length will be 2x, and hence this will be x and this will be x. It means AE is equal to AE. AE upon AE is equal to x. X upon DC. DC is equal to 2x. Is equal to AF. AF is equal to, we are not knowing the value of AF. AF can be obtained upon FC. FC is equal to 12 already given to us. So that we can say that AF is equal to 6. It will, this will be equal to 6. Okay. Now we'll take the triangle ABC. This is a rectangle triangle. This is 90-degree angle. We can apply the Pythagoras theory in angle ACB. In angle ACB, Pythagoras to be applied. In triangle ABC. As per Pythagoras, AC, which is a diagonal of this right angle triangle, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is known to us is equal to this 2x. It means 2 times x square plus BC is already given to us is 8 square. AC we have find this is 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12 square. Because this was 12 already given to us, and this we have already calculated AF is equal to 6. So that it is 18 square will be equal to 4 times x square plus 64. 18 square is equal to 324. You can check it if you are not by hearted. It is not by hearted by you, then you have to calculate in rough paper. But this takes time, so that is my request to you. Please by heart some squares, some square of the some numbers, and cube also some numbers. They will be very helpful to you in future. So this is 18 into 18. 8 is a 64. Carry 6. 8 was a 8, and 6 14. 18 was a 18. This will be equal to 4, 12, and 324. It means this is equal to 324. But it takes time, so that this should be always kept in your mind, the square of different numbers. Okay, they will be very helpful for you. This is 4x square plus 64. It means 4 times x square will be equal to 64. 324 minus 64, that is 220. 260, sorry, 260. This will be equal to 260. Okay. Now 260. It means x square will be equal to, divided it by 4. This will be equal to 4 7 the 9. 4 6 are 24. 2 4 5 are 20. This is x square is equal to 65. It means x will be but next will equal to x will be equal to root of 65. This is the answer. So x is equal to what? The answer is root of 65. This is answer. Okay. Only trick is to be applied of the angle similarity law on triangles. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. And this is my personal request. Please don't uh, ignore to by heart all the squares of the different number and the cubes. At least from 1 till 20 you should by heart. Okay, this is my personal request. It will be very helpful in future. Okay, thanks for watching my video from beginning to last and devoting your time to view my video. And further, I am requesting you to please, those who are new, please don't forget to subscribe me. And those who are old, and further, again, requesting you to like, to give some comment, and to share with your friends also. This create the motivation for me. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.